Wahala for who still dey go school o. Hey, as e be, they don bring new law come for now. Inside Anambra state, I hear say their government don include Saturdays for students. Say now as e be, students now go dey go school on Saturdays o. And wetin make dem these people decide say they wan add this day to their distance na because of the sit-at-home order. One, I know say this IPOB people bring. And I know say normally they talk say on Monday make people no dey come outside again. Government can't change that. Okay, fine and good. They don't follow these people talk. Say maybe they come outside. Based on fear, I hear say nobody agree come outside. But now government don't reason say if like say these people know how they no go come outside. They come kuku decide okay now Saturday make every student wear in uniform, carry in bag, saying they go school. Hey, I beg government no be wickedness be this one. What about people where we say they don't even like school before? When we say na Saturday, now be the arresting days where we say they go use and help their mama for house. The day where we say they go use and rest their brain, now won't come put in our sufferness. Come put on top of people, children body. Say maybe they go school on Saturday. So on the try time say the whole 4 days, that is Tuesday to Friday. You know they enough for person to learn. I beg wait till at all with the learn. Because after the whole school, how many last person will see work? What it can be the essence of so they stress people students. Where be so na go think of how na go solve the whole problem. Anambra can go on arrest and never still see the reason why on a hold on for them. He don't go court all the this thing when I even carry come out and say na wetin make na keep it no make sense. And these people talk say if na release and they go stop this whole sit-at-home thing. So why be so na no go just look for the techniques? Okay, fine and good. Make we go release this guy, make peace on no reason that one. Now when they find nonsense ways. But parents, me I get advice for if it good for you, you better no go send your pikin. Say make him go school on Saturday. Because as I look this matter, I no go surprise say soon. IPOB people, they go include Saturday to their distance. Say they no want make people come outside on Saturday because they go reason and might say, okay, on a one they bypass them. So instead of all this whole world, make na just sit down, conclude with these IPOB people. Make na settle because with the looks of things, the citizens they even fear IPOB pass on our government. So na suppose don't know say with all this all that they do, last na no go away. But now what? This kind of law, it never makes sense to me. It means that soon, now go still include Sunday. So my students, they come school on Sunday. I beg Nigerian government, make na wise up. Think well. Not be about school or not be the problem. Make na tackle the problem. Go release the man. Make we not say peace go away. My people now here, I go end up on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. I salute all my people where they watch. As it be election period on the reach. Now our politicians they don't they look for ways and now to they scam the people of Nigeria. I yes our vice president Yemi Oshibanjo, this man don't start in campaign strategy. Oga don't begin going to schools, go they turn to teacher. Don't begin sit down there, they even feed with other students. So. Saying they show in act of humanity. Make no be like saying I mean they even add pepper for this matter. Eh? Make na follow me watch. Honestly, the Sakamanje where this man they carry into say we be mum. I beg which day since when you don't be vice president, which year you come outside reach? Say you want turn teacher, you want go to teach people. When be say now today you can't decide saying you won't even they follow these people they eat. Inside the same place. It just shows say on I don't know say we go see flush on our story. Now what they make on I don't they fear on other they style ways to they bring in campaign. You can't go sit down there, they drink gari and banana, and don't even know who giving at this kind of combination. They give innocent students. If you like it, go sit down with beggar, they chop agege bread. Nobody go vote for you. Nobody go even vote for them. Because as I look this matter, they don't the reason as okay, Tinubu don't the old. Oh, now no say make no forget, they talk say the new president, it go come from the west. I can't the reason say maybe now Oshibanjo they won't carry and give because now no say na Yoruba man. Then I wait to make now don't they plan. They creating strategy on how to be president. Oh God, forget them. Call work, nobody go vote for you. Because the ones who don't do, we don't see. We never see any improvement. This ones now, it just be said that in these communities, they never wise up. Now, what you make now, we carry all these material things, small things, Gary, I beg, how much be plate? How much be cup? When we say now, come carry and then now, go they cover them, this, and the students, they happy. Say, government don't brace, I beg, what to be this one when I carry go there? Oh God, I beg, make a change this in our mentality. Because all this one when I do, all this strategy, nobody go in and vote for now. On a better look for better ways. I mean, all these our politicians are still they talk and reach today. I know they trust them. So now this man go carry budget come out and say that banana wey buy na 30 billion naira he use and buy am. Oga, we know they ready. You better go return that banana. Make we know say that the students they suffer normally. No be about this one way they carry come. Pastor wey be say you don't turn to criminal. I don't even know what I want to associate you with. At least as you enter that vice president, you go even change Nigeria. Now everything go even work. Oga, you better go follow yourself talk and follow that your president self talk. Make a reason and way. Think of how this our country go. Not be about all this year campaigns is when they do. We know what we do. We they see everything. So we dey ready for now. My people now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.